DJI Air 4 leaks hint at a serious step forward for drone enthusiasts. Drone community is buzzing again, and for good reason. DJI appears to be preparing the launch of the Air 4, and if recent leaks are to be believed, this could be one of the most impressive upgrades in the Air series yet. While nothing's been confirmed officially, the details emerging from prototype images and industry insiders paint a picture of a drone packed with next-level features, especially for those who care about image quality, smarter flight systems, and longer airtime. So, what exactly can we expect? Let's take a closer look at the rumored features and whether the Air 4 is shaping up to be worth the hype. Stronger frame, smarter build. From the early images that have surfaced, the Air 4 may feature a revamped frame with reinforced arms. This kind of structural improvement would enhance both flight stability and durability, ideal for unpredictable weather or rugged shooting conditions. Another standout addition could be a built-in LED beacon, which would boost visibility during night flights. Combine that with what looks like a smarter, upgraded sensor setup, and we may be looking at a drone that's safer and easier to fly in all lighting conditions. One of the most exciting leaks suggests a 360-degree obstacle detection system powered by LiDAR sensors. If true, this would mark a major leap from the current camera-based systems used in drones like the Air 3. LiDAR offers far better accuracy, especially in low-light environments or complex landscapes, think dense forests or urban alleyways. The result? A drone that's not just safer but also smarter about how it moves through space. A huge camera upgrade on the horizontal Air 4's camera system could be its crown jewel. Rumors suggest a dual-lens setup with 2 1-inch sensors, significantly improving image clarity, color depth, and performance in challenging lighting. That's not all. DJI may finally be adding a variable aperture to the Air series. This would allow pilots to control how much light enters the lens, vital for shooting in fluctuating environments or capturing fast-moving action with perfect exposure. There's also buzz about a mechanical shutter, a big deal for aerial photographers. And like electronic shutters, mechanical ones minimize motion blur and distortion, making them ideal for professional-grade stills and smooth video. Pair that with upgraded HDR capabilities, and the Air 4 might be one of the most versatile drones DJI has ever released for content creation. Longer flights, better connectivity, battery life is always a big selling point, and DJI seems to know it. The Air 4 could surpass the 50-minute mark for flight time, making it the longest-lasting Air model to date. That's a noticeable bump over the Air 3's 46 minutes, and could be a huge win for filmmakers and surveyors who need extended sessions without constant recharging. On the transmission front, an enhanced version of AcuSync is likely. That means more stable video feeds, longer control range, and better reliability in areas where signal strength usually suffers, like cityscapes or mountainous terrain. When to expect it and what it'll cost? Looking at DJI's usual release cycle, a launch in late 2025 seems likely. With the Air 3 having hit shelves in mid-2023, the 2-year rhythm tracks with how DJI typically updates its lineup. As for pricing, the Air 3 debuted around $1,099. Given the rumored enhancements, especially in the camera and sensor departments, it wouldn't be surprising to see a modest increase. A price tag between $1,200 and $1,300 would be reasonable if all these premium features are included. Should you wait for the Air 4? If even half of the leaks turn out to be accurate, the DJI Air 4 could be one of the most well-rounded drones on the market. Between its camera innovations, upgraded navigation tech, and extended flight time, it's shaping up to be a serious tool for both professionals and hobbyists who want more from their flying camera. Of course, we'll have to wait for the official reveal to know for sure. But one thing's clear, DJI isn't playing it safe. The Air 4 looks ready to push boundaries. Are you thinking about upgrading from the Air 3? Or are you new to drones and holding out for this release? Let's hear your thoughts. And if you want to stay on top of future DJI announcements, reviews, and drone news, be sure to follow along. There's a lot more coming.